Let's continue our looking into the specifics of how we can transform ourselves and our thinking into a better life for all of us. Towards this end, yesterday we spoke about something very
Good
beautiful.
morning, Auntie.
Yes, Gayatri, good morning. We are recording now. Okay. So, yesterday we spoke about something so beautiful. I wanted to elaborate a little bit about that day more visually. So, I'm going to share something. Um, these are the four steps that we will be talking about in terms of communicating effectively with our children, with our families, with the world, in engaging with the world. This can be applied to anything. The first step being stopping. Now, we will talk about each of the steps in detail as we go along. The first step is stopping, the second step is calming, the third step is resting, and the fourth step is healing. Now, it is very important to combine these steps into, weave it with our thinking so that we are able to stop first before we speak anything, before we write anything, before we do anything. So, looking at stopping, today we will look at the step of stopping. Stopping means we can stop whatever we are doing, whatever we are thinking, whatever we are going to say before it is said to avoid hurting ourselves and to the others. There are many ways to do this, but my favorite way to do it is with breathing. When you become focused on your breathing, the in breath and the out breath, then it is very, very beautiful way to stop our momentum of negative or impulsive behavior. Now, why do we need to stop the impulsive behavior? Because we can model this for our children. Many times our children are behaving impulsively and out of their own negativity they're able to hurt themselves and others. But we can facilitate for them to be able to stop themselves if we can model the stopping. So, breathing is one. Remember that the momentum of all your thoughts, all the actions that you wish to do, and all that you are wanting to say has a certain momentum, a speed, and the stopping facilitates us to come to a standstill. We read about stillness, we read about awareness, but we need to come to a standstill where there is emptiness of thoughts, emptiness of what we need to say, emptiness of our actions for us to make a difference in the world. So, stopping is the first step. Think about it as you go through the day and what are the different ways that you can bring yourself to stop and stand still. It varies from person to person. So let's do this, guys. Okay. So that's it for now. We will go through with the next steps as we go along.